What are you doing, Chungus? Oh. Eating the wires, huh? Alright. Well, we see where it's going. Am I gonna be eating goat tonight? Am I eating goat because you're eating my wires? Huh? You little Chungus? Alright, no more wire eating. Alright. Alright, so welcome back to the Whitehouse farm. You saw how to winterize the boat. Now we're going to go ahead and just do the opposite and get it ready for the water. So let's get going here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this cover off. And hopefully you had your battery and a trickle charger over the winter and not just still plugged in, because it'd probably be dead on you. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. All right, now that we got the battery hooked up, let's go ahead and, as you remember, I took these off to go ahead and flush it with the antifreeze. So let's go ahead and tighten these all back up on there. Okay, now we gotta put our drain plugs back in. Okay, now we gotta put our drain plug back in. Tighten the one that's there and then put the other one in. Okay. Tighten this top hose here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and change out the gear oil. Go ahead and straighten this out. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and change out the gear oil on this. And this is, once again, it's a Mercruiser Alpha 1 Gen 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this top plug out right here, and then we're gonna drain it by taking that bottom plug out there. And then I got this little kit here. It's the gear lube pump, and I'll show you how to hook that up to get it to put the fresh oil in. And this is the gear oil that we're gonna be using here, and it's Quicksilver. I mean, you can get it right at Walmart. Yeah, it's good stuff. So, all right, let's get that top screw out and get going here. And there should be a rubber O-ring with that as well. And there's the little seal for the screw. Okay, so now that most of the oil's all pretty much drained out, it's just dripping now. We can go ahead and get our tool here, and we're gonna hook this up now. And the way this works this threads into the bottom where you took your screw out. So go ahead and get that in there. Okay, so now that that's in there, we're gonna go ahead and open up one of our gear oils here, and this is gonna go right inside so we can pump it up inside there. Just take the cap off, and you go ahead and put this in here. That twists on there like that, and basically you're just gonna pump the fluid in. You're gonna pump that fluid in until you start to see it come out this top hole here, and that's when you know it's full. Once you start seeing it leak out here, you can go ahead and cap this as well, and then you can disconnect this. You want to make sure you cap this because that's going to prevent the airflow from it just pouring back out. It'll stop it from just pouring out on you, and then you put your bottom plug in. So start pumping that in, and you can see it goes right through the tube and up in. Okay, so once that starts getting low, you can actually take the little bit that's left in here and you can put it in here. And as you can see, it's starting to come out the top there. So we'll go ahead and plug that. Once again, make sure you got your washer with that screw, and then go ahead and plug it. Okay, so the last thing to do is go ahead and hook up the muffs here, get some water running to this, and we're going to fire her up. Alright, so we got the muffs over the holes there. Let's go ahead and turn the water on. right, she's gonna be all set to go. So that's how you get her ready for the summer. Next thing to do, get her on the water. So hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Hi, guys.